How to send money using Venmo. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can send money on Venmo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to send money using the Venmo app, all you have to do is first of all make sure to download the Venmo app from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you just want to head over to the Venmo application like this and then log into your account. Then just make sure you're under this profile icon, and then here you'll find the option called pay or request, right? You just need to click on the pay or request tab next to the person, and then once you've done that, it will ask you for a couple of other details such as the amount of money that you want to request for, and then you also want to, if you want, you can make it private, the payment private, and then just tap on the request option here, and then if the other person accepts your payment request, and if you want to send them, or just tap on the pay button, and if they also receive your money, then you'll successfully be able to send them money. And if you're sending a request, then of course you will be able to receive money as well. And this is simply how you can pay or send money using Venmo to someone and even request money. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.